All right. Now,
Okay.
let's continue with our form. Okay. So, we had already started with the heading that says advisor form. We have inserted student ID with input text. Okay. And also student name. The same thing as we have done in our previous form example, like the registration and the login, of course. So let's just continue with this one. What's next to be inserted? Let's insert the department. So I have already the department label inserted in here. Now let's insert. Okay, you can do it same time with me. If network is very slow for you, you just go back later on to this recording. So we have insert form button.
Miss,
Let's try field set.
Miss, please.
Okay, Mr. Just carry on. I will just continue. Okay, it's being
No,
recorded
I
anyway.
want to
You
ask you,
can always go back. Okay, so
Miss.
insert
Books. Like,
form
okay.
button field set. Name of the field. The name of the field. Let's have. Is it field set? Let me just try. You please put department and then click on OK. Oh no no no, not this one. Edit, undo. Again, insert. Okay, form, selection list, not field set. Field set is different. Okay, again, insert form, selection list. Okay, so our selection list is going to be for our department. Okay, you're following now? Okay, all right, you can put the size or leave it as that. Just put the name. And then on the options, you can put the first value. Okay, again, parameters. There are two now tabs, no? So on the parameters, just put the name as department. And then go to the other tab that says option. Okay, now insert the value. And now right now, the only one which is enabled is the after option. So you can add an option. Okay, again, go to options and then on the value, click this one. Add options. Add options and then click on after and then add an option. Okay, so plus, after, add an option. Okay, so let's have our department. So what's our first department? IT. Label IT, put ID. IT. So this is our first department. Click on OK. Okay, if you want to add some more department, so just click on plus. You can have before or after now. Okay, it depends on the order. Let me have it before. Okay, now let's have business. Okay, so please put business and then business. Okay, click on OK and then add another option plus and then you can have it. Is it before? I want it after. Okay, so I'll have it after and then IT, business. Now let's have engineering. Okay, what can you see in my screen now? What are you seeing in my screen? Is it adding? So I have now business,
Options.
engineering, and IT. Aywa? Okay, again, how is that? You go to options and then plus here. Plus, add an option. You can choose any of this, no problem, in any order, no problem. As long as you have different options. Okay, so just add an option. Let's say I'm gonna add some more. For you, 3 will be enough. Let's say I will have ELC. This is for English Language Center, ELC. And then click on OK. See? All right. So you can add as many as you want class. Okay. Or 3 departments will be enough. And then after that, I finish with my options. So again, parameter is this. And then options are the following. These are the department. And then click on OK. Okay, see this? Later on, if I'm going to run this one, it will show us our options. Okay? Just click on okay after. Where is that? We have applied insert. Okay, where did I get this? We have applied insert, but then form here, selection list. Okay,
Teacher,
insert,
where teacher?
form, selection list. Yes.
Selection list. Okay.
Okay, clear? Again, don't worry, it's being recorded. Okay, what comes up next? Let's see our output in our meeting chat. In our meeting chat, I've shown here, in case you're missing something. Okay, let's have gender. So our gender is male or female. Okay, let's just make it easier. So let's have now our gender. Okay, please put gender, insert, form. Okay, insert, form, and then go to input. Now let's try radio button.
Radio button.
Okay, insert, form, inputs, radio button. Radio button. Okay, so this is going to be for our gender. Gender. Okay, put the value. What value do we have? Okay, let me just put for a while. Male. Let me just see for a while. Don't follow it. It's not shown. Okay, I'll just put male. Okay, just type male. But you should have that radio button here. And then type male. I will insert again. Okay, another option, let's say insert. Let me just repeat that. Form. And then inputs, form, inputs, and then radio button. Let me try it again. Okay, I hope you're seeing this. I'm gonna put gender again. So this is for my female. But this value is not it's not showing. Let me just okay, for a while, put this as female because I have used that gender already. Female, female. Click on OK. And then just put here female. Just type female. Type it here. So male, male, female, female. All right. So that's for our radio button. Okay, again, class, this is recorded. You can always go back to review these recordings. Let's have our next one. On our output, okay, we have status. Whether the student is, okay, can you see this? Whether the student is active, dismissed, withdrawn, okay, graduate, postpone, etc. Okay, let's put the student status. Let's insert the student status. So please put status. You can have it on the same line or different line. Okay, I think having it on the next line is going to look better. I'm going to put like this. Okay, so for our status, I'll just go down. Okay, so let's insert form, inputs, and then checkbox. Insert form, inputs, checkbox. Let's have the first checkbox. The first checkbox is for students who are active. So let's have that active, active. Okay, then click on OK. Type here active. Okay, so we have our first option for the status. We have our active students. Can you see it?
Miss, please again.
Okay, again, I will repeat that for other option. Insert, you can do it same time with me. Insert form, inputs. Insert form, inputs, button, checkbox, checkbox. Insert form, inputs, button, checkbox. And then type here, what's the next one? Let's have active and then dismiss. Put dismiss. Okay, click on OK. And then put here dismiss. Dismiss, or let's put suspended. Okay? Dismiss or suspended. Okay, can you see? Okay, can you insert again? Withdraw. Now withdraw. You can try please, withdrawn. Can you insert another one please? Yes, withdrawn. This time withdraw. Put the status where the student is withdraw. Okay, so what do we do? Insert, okay, form, inputs, check box, yeah, okay, and then put withdraw. Withdraw, student did not continue, withdrawn. Okay, so let's have the same value, but the value is not shown. Okay, so you can just put withdrawn. Aywa. Okay, see class, if in case you miss something, just in case you miss something and you would like to edit it, you can double click that. See, if you double click, it comes back. Yeah. Okay. See, I can assume that the student is active. Just in case I want this to be always checked, I can click on the element is checked. So every time I will run this element is always checked. Okay? So click on OK. See? So even if I will not input something here, it is always going to choose active. All right? So let's have the next part. I'd like you to go to the next part. What's the next part? Here. Suggestion or advice or messages. Let's say the advisor wants to give message to the advisee, to the student, no? Okay, so let's have advice or suggestion or messages. Okay, let's say the advisor wants to give message to the advisor. Okay, so just put the word message. Okay, ready? Insert. So we are going now to have message or suggestion. Insert, form, then text area. Okay, again, what do we use? Text area. So that we have something with multiple rows and multiple columns. Input area, output there. Okay, again, what are we going to insert here in the message? So insert, form, okay, here, text area. Insert form, text area. Okay, so this is going for the, to be for the message. How many number of columns? How many messages you want your advisor to give you? Maybe 5 columns. I don't know. Columns should be more. Okay, let's have this as 50 columns and maybe 6 rows. 50 and then 6. 50 and then 6. And then, okay, so just put the name message. Number of columns is 50. Number of rows, 6. I'll show you. Oh, too big. Okay, can you see that? That's a text area. It's very big. You can revise it or edit it. I think this is much. I can just put it as 25. 25 by 4. So 25 columns and 4 rows. Click OK. There you go. Smaller. Okay, say the advisor wants to give message to the advisee. Okay, clear on this, class? Okay, now let's put the button. We are finally finishing this. Let's insert now a button. Insert form, aywa, inputs, and then button. Button for resetting, button for form submission. Let's try this one, form submission. It will be same as the button, no? Okay, you can just say send. Maybe this is a way to send the student message. Send message. Okay, we can say send message. Send message. This is for advising. Okay, you can put send message or send. Send enough. Okay, click on OK now. See? So you have now here the send button. So just put send button. So where did we get that? Insert, form, inputs, form submission. You can use this button, no problem, or form submission. It will show the same thing. Okay, this is to submit a form. This is just a button. Later on, you can program it if you know already how to program in web page designing. Okay, now let's insert a form to reset or okay, so same thing as we have applied in the previous. So insert form, inputs, and then this one, a button to reset the form. It means that you will restart again. So you can say cancel or reset. Okay, let's try reset. Reset the message. Copy and then paste. Reset, reset. So what did we use this time? A button to reset the form. Okay, so all of these are button, huh? Form submission button, image submission button, a button to reset, and then a simple button. So what did I apply here? A button to reset. I want to reset. Click on OK. There you go. So we have now our complete advisor form. Again, insert form, inputs. Okay, the first one is form submission. After file picker, we have done this already last time. Okay, so you can have this form submission button. Okay, form submission button. So insert, okay, let's have this as send. The value send because this is to send message to advisor. Okay, form submission form. A form submission button. Send, send. Click on OK. There you have. Okay, you can put a space before that. There, so that it have space between message and send. Okay, let's insert another one. Insert, form, inputs. Okay, let's have the second to the last. A button to reset the form. So we have insert, form, insert, and then, okay, a button to reset the form, this one. If by mistake you have clicked this, you can always change here. Huh? So let's try button to reset the form. This is for our reset and then reset. Aywa. Click on OK. Click on OK. There you go. So we have now the complete form. So we have advisor form, which will input student ID, student name. We will have here different department. The departments are, what are our departments here? Okay, it's not opening. Our departments are the departments available in the university. And then you have here, these are review button. These are check boxes. This is text area. This is form submission button. This is reset button. Okay, so please save your file as advisor. File. Okay, are you ready? Let's save the file now. File, save as. And then add. I can just put it as message. Message. Okay, you can choose message or advisor. Advisor form or message form. Okay, let's have it advisor. Okay, I'm putting advisor as the name of my form. Okay, click on OK and then save it as advisor. Click save. Okay, a while ago, this was our target. Okay, now let's see what we have designed. Let's open what we have designed. So this is now our new advisor form where I don't have the color. Let me see what I got. Okay, so this is our new advisor form. So this one. Okay, so you want to put a color? You want to put the color of your form? Yeah, no problem. Okay, you can put color of your form. This is now the new form we have designed. Let's say I'm going to input ID. Let me put a name. See, these are the options now which we have inserted. Now, can you see that? So I can choose ELC. Okay, if I want to choose
Teacher.
engineering, let's say you are from engineering. I click female.
Teacher.
Okay, so initially you are the advisor is advisee is
Teacher.
assigned as what's this? Active. All right. And then afterwards, you can put the message here. Okay. Tomorrow exam in Blue Griffon. Study. Okay. And then click send. There's no program. We are just doing designing. Click send. Let's say if you want to send. But we don't have the program yet. Okay. All right. So that's the last form which you need to learn. You want to change the color of this? Would you like to change the color? Yeah?
Miss.
You want to change the color? Just select
How to
here
make
form.
space for message?
Yes? How to make?
Space
You
for
can
message.
click this. Yes. Put message, this one. Okay. Insert. See, I deleted that. I'll show you, mister. Insert form text area. Insert form text area. Okay, following. So put here message. Insert form text area. Number of rows, let's say columns. I want 20 columns and then 3 rows only. 20 by 3. There you go. So this insert text area. Insert form text area. That is for this one. Multiple rows and multiple columns so that you can insert a message. Okay, class, what if you want to put color for this whole form here? Click this one. Can you see down here? Can you see down here? So if you click body, I'm gonna have full background of the body. But, okay, if I'm going to click on the form, click the form down here. Okay, I can change all the text color of my form. Let's say my text color will be similar to this red one here. Let me keep on maroon. I shall give maroon. Then click on OK. And then the background, I'm gonna put it as this one, light blue. I'm gonna have light blue for my background. Then click on OK. Set there you go. So I was able to put the color of my foreground and background. Okay, what did I choose? I choose first form because I want to change the color of the form. If I want the whole body, this whole body, I can also do that. Okay, but I want only to put background color of my form. Okay, so this is the foreground. All right, so let's say I want text and then the background color is yellow. I want yellow sorry, blue color of the text. That's the foreground. Click on OK. And then for my background, I want to change now to yellow. A while ago, I made it red and blue. Now I want yellow and blue. Click OK. See, I have now yellow and blue color. My foreground is this one. You can see this, this designing tool here on the left side, this formatting tool, the foreground color and the background color. So let's save it because I have changed the color of my form. Save. Now let me refresh my output. Not this one, the other one, this one. This was our original output, no? We didn't have any color. Now let's refresh that. There you see. You see, I have now the color of my form. Okay. So, what are the new things here we have today? This one, selection list, and then radio button, okay, and then checkbox, and then text area. Okay, these buttons we have done through button only, but this one is form submission button, and this one is reset button. Okay, so there you have our Blue Griffon forms. Any question on the forms? Are we going to include this in your activity for that 30 marks?